So get this, we're looking at college planning today.
Mm-hmm.
But
With a twist.
interesting. You know how everybody's always stressing about saving up for college,
Oh, yeah.
getting all that money together? I mean, it's a
lot.
huge expense.
It is.
Well, buckle up, Buttercup,
Okay.
because we are going to be looking at using life insurance as part of the plan.
Really?
I know, right? Sounds a little out there,
Yeah, a little unconventional.
but that's what we're here for.
Exactly.
We're going to find out if this is genius or just plain crazy.
I love it.
All right, so what do you think? I mean, obviously, college is super expensive.
Oh my gosh, it's like ridiculously expensive these days.
It is. It can feel like
And it just seems like every year
every year.
it's going up and up.
Yeah, it's just going up and up and up.
Yeah.
It's like trying to climb Mount Everest just to keep up with all the tuition hikes.
Totally. And I feel like we're like, almost conditioned to just accept that it's going to be more expensive every year.
Right. Like nobody even questions it.
Nope.
So where does life insurance fit into all of this?
Well,
I
that's
thought
not
that was just, something happened to you, then your family's protected.
exactly. That's definitely the core function of life insurance, like you said, is to protect your family if something were to happen to you.
Right.
But permanent life insurance is a little different than term life insurance.
Okay.
Term life insurance is only for a set period of time, whereas permanent life insurance offers lifelong coverage,
Oh, okay.
and it builds cash value over time.
So it's kind of like a savings account?
Yeah, you can think of it like a savings account that grows over time.
Interesting. Okay, so it's kind of like having a safety net and a savings plan all rolled into one.
Exactly. Yeah, it's kind of like a 2-for-1 there.
I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's say like the unthinkable happens.
Mm-hmm.
Parent passes away
Yeah.
before they've fully funded, the college savings account.
Right.
That's a terrifying thought,
Yeah, it's a scary thought.
especially, with kids.
Yeah, absolutely.
So how does the insurance help in that situation?
Well, the death benefit from the life insurance policy can actually step in and make sure that the child's education isn't completely derailed by that financial crisis.
Wow. That's a huge relief to know that kind of protection exists.
Yeah, it really is.
That's like having a backup plan for the backup plan.
Exactly.
I mean, nobody wants to think about, those kinds of things happening.
Of course not.
But it's nice to know that there's something there
Absolutely.
to help you out just in case.
It's like a safety net.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
So the source that we're looking at today, it talks about how you can actually use the life insurance while you're still alive
Oh, yeah.
to help pay for college.
Right?
How does that work?
So with a permanent life insurance policy, you have the option to take out a policy loan or make withdrawals from the accumulated cash value.
Interesting.
So you can kind of think of it like tapping into your own personal bank to help cover those college expenses.
So could you use it like in addition to other savings, like if you had a 529 plan?
Yes, definitely you can use it to supplement your other savings
Okay.
or even to cover specific costs like maybe textbooks or housing.
Oh, wow. So it's actually pretty flexible.
It is very flexible.
Interesting. Okay.
And here's where it gets really interesting.
Okay.
There is a potential tax advantage.
Really?
Yes, so the growth on your cash value is usually tax deferred, and those loans or withdrawals might actually be tax-free depending on your specific circumstances.
Wow. Okay. So let me make sure I understand this.
Yeah.
There's two major benefits to using life insurance for college.
Right.
One is the death benefit, which acts like a safety net if something happens to you.
Correct.
And then two is you can actually access the policy's cash value to help cover costs while you're still alive.
Yes, you got it.
Okay.
Awesome.
You're a pro.
So are there any downsides? I mean, it can't all be rainbows and sunshine, right?
Well, of course, like any financial strategy, there are some potential downsides to consider.
For example, policy loans accrue interest.
Right.
And if they aren't repaid, it can actually decrease your death benefit
Oh, no.
or even cause the policy to lapse.
So it's definitely not something you would just want to jump into without really thinking it through.
Exactly.
It sounds like you'd really need to weigh the pros and cons.
Absolutely. And that's why it's so important to talk to a financial advisor.
Okay.
They can help you determine if it's the right fit for your family's financial situation and goals.
This is a lot to digest.
I know it's a lot of information.
It's definitely not your typical college savings advice.
Right.
But I'm starting to understand why using life insurance for college is,
Yeah,
it's unconventional,
it is.
but potentially a really powerful approach.
Very powerful.
And I really like that there's the safety net aspect of
Yeah,
it.
absolutely. That's a huge benefit.
Okay, so for everybody out there who is grappling with the cost of college,
Yeah,
don't rule out this strategy.
definitely not.
Talk to your financial advisor. See if it makes sense for you. Maybe this deep dive just uncovered the missing piece of your college savings puzzle.
Yeah, I know.
All right, that is it for today.
Awesome.
We will catch you all next time.
See you later.